Well, good morning everyone. It is Saturday. I woke up a little early to do some stuff for the channel. Got some editing done, and now I'm going to the shop, the hybrid, to work on the EG. And it's gonna be fun, so let's go work on that now. We've made it to the shop. Over here I have my little EG sitting by the dumpster, because that's all trash. Just kidding. But actually, I left it sitting out here, just over here. Car was locked, but the hood was not latched, and someone stole my battery. So now I don't have a battery. Now I have to go buy a $140 battery. So thanks. Another thing I wanted to show you guys was this EK we have in here. You all know the Prelude. It's been in a couple videos. But this is a genuine EK Type R right-hand drive, not a conversion. This is real. The real deal. A little dirty because it rained the other day and they had it out. We actually had another YouTuber, Zosh, came out and they did some videos with it. But this thing is pretty sweet. I'm not a big EK guy. I'm not a huge fan on how the headlights and taillights look, but this is a really clean car. Comment down below if you guys want to see a video on this. Maybe we can convince them to let me drive it. Do a little review or something on a 90 something EK Type R.
I think we need some Eurobeat today.
Ooh.
Because we didn't listen to it yesterday.
That we do. Turn my wheel.
I got it. Wait.
Hallelujah! Yeah, so this hood had all of its supports cut out. So that side's stationary and that side is not. Don't do this, kids. Good thing I got a good hood over there. Alright, so last night we tinkered with it a little bit. We got a temporary battery put in there, obviously took it back out so no one else would steal it. Put a new throttle position sensor on there because the old one went kaput right after I got here with it. It was already going bad. And then we determined that the fuel pressure regulator is probably bad because it's not really holding pressure, and it'll build a little pressure but not hold it, and it's cranking a lot but not quite firing up. So we're going to replace that and see how it goes. So before we actually put the regulator in and all that jazz, we're going to take the hood off because I have that better hood and it has hood stand whatever, which is unnecessary and looks weird. So I'm going to take this off. So one thing I didn't show you guys, I don't think, is this hood mounted gauge, and you think, oh, maybe someone put a tack there. It looks a little weird just sticking out like a tumor, but no, that's oil pressure. Don't know why it's on hood, but it's not even connected in there. So I gotta undo this first to take the hood off. Alright, right now we're working on trying to get the rear bench seat out because it seems that we're not getting any fuel pressure because the fuel pump is not supplying enough pressure. So I think the fuel pump's probably bad. We hear it priming, but still getting little to no pressure up at the rail and at the regulator. So taking the rear seat out, figuring out how to do that right now so we can get the pump out.
Sweet.
So to get the rear seat out, you actually have to lean the back of the seat forward And apparently you're supposed to have to take the back of the seat out to get to a screw that holds a clip in back here. But ours didn't have a screw in it, so didn't have to do that. Ha! More bolts.
Yay! Hey guys, we got us some Taco Bell for lunch today. It was so good. Y'all got anything to say?
Let her rip, tater chip.
Woo!
So what we found out was, it looks like the factory pump is actually okay. You can see this fuel line that was on it. So it was mounted like this in the car, and when we undid the top bolts, it actually squirted fuel out the edge of it. So I think that it's just leaking fuel past this and not even feeding the car. It's just feeding the gas tank itself. Cannibalism. We got the fuel pump out, tested it. The fuel pump is good. We replaced that hose when we put it back in there just to see if it works, and it does. And the fuel pump is missing the filter at the end of it, so we're gonna go get one of those. So we got the piddle pack. Sweet. Oh, Cody has us hooked. Oh, that's, oh yeah. Oh my god, 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 it's a tight fit.
Oh, perfect. It's like a TV show over here.
Dude. Yep.
This is a zoo? Excuse me?
It's like an aquarium.
That's it.
Oh, fuel pressure.
Oh boy.
It probably needed to prime it.
It went up. Keep going. All right, now start.
You want to play with the throttle?
Yeah, I'll get it. All right. Nope. Turn it off.
So the car runs. We are setting TPS and idle right now. And we should be good to go. Maybe go for a little test drive. Who knows? The seat is wet.
Don't get it in the engine. Throttle body's up there. Now ease it. There you go.
Box that feels good. Oh yeah.
All right.